everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a box here to open, and it is from Craftsy, and they've changed their boxes, so now they say Blueprint on them, which is what they are now calling their new lessons, their videos and stuff. And I actually got a subscription to that, so I'm kind of excited to watch and learn. I haven't done much with it yet, but I need to, because I have a lot to learn, but it's so much fun, so I'm excited about it. And they still have the same things that Craftsy's always have, the kits and the yarn and all of that. So I went ahead and ordered some things. And it tells you a little bit about Blueprint, little advertisement, and those are some of the people that are on it. I don't know them except for Christy Glass, but you guys might know some of the others. And I got quite a bit of things, but of course I did. So I found this really chunky yarn, and it was on sale, and it's gray, and it has like purple just intertwined in it, not very often, but just a little bit. And this is the Cloudborne Superwashed Merino Bulky Splash in the color Bering Sea. So I don't know how much these things were, I can't tell you, but oh, there's a little bit of green too. It is really pretty, and it's super bulky. I think it'll be a cute like baby sweater or something like that. It's so soft. So how many yards is this? This is, I'm sure it tells me. Oh, 109 yards. So it's got a pretty good yardage for being as bulky as it is. And it's a number 5 bulky. And then I got another one, and this is in the Oatmeal Heather color. I thought this was really pretty. This would make a really cute shawl or hat or something like that. Ooh, I'd actually like it as a scarf even. That would be really pretty, but I'd need more than one for this one for sure if I was doing that. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. But then I got some kits, because Lord knows I needed some kits. Let me just put this box down, and then I'll just get into it and show you, and then so I got the Joker and the Thief shawl, and this is what this looks like. And that uses Cloudborne yarn, which is a Craftsy brand. And I got Purple Martin colorway. So they're darker colors, like jewel toned. This was a really hard decision as to which ones to pick. And these are fingering, these are size 1, so I'm not gonna enjoy that very much, to be honest. I am not digging the fingering, but I love the way it looks. So, and then that came with a fingering weight superwash sock twist, and I picked out the color Charcoal Heather. So these are all going to make my shawl. And it is really pretty, and these are minis, so hopefully it won't take me forever. I have so many things to make, guys. I have so many different project bags with projects in them. You guys know, it's crazy. I have no business buying more, but when they have them on such good deals, I can't help it. I almost bought this color because I thought this was really cute too. It's a hard decision, and then there was one more that I really liked, so I settled on this one, but there were plenty to choose from that were really great colors. And then I got another shawl. I haven't finished one shawl yet, but I needed more, you know. This one is called Leaf Press Shawl. And this has like little leaves on the side, and then it's striped, really pretty. And again, they're beautiful colors. This is by Judy Marples, and this uses, looks like sport weight yarn. Yes, Highland Sport, and this is in this color Stormy Skies. This is a number 2, so it's a little bit better, or a little bit bigger, not better. And this is 200 yards, and I have Stormy Skies, looks like 2 of those. And then that's going to be striped with this one, which is Taupe Heather. So those are going to go together, which I think is really lovely. So this is my main color, since I got 2, and this is my stripes. So I really like that. I love those colors together. And I love how they do their projects too. So you get a little bag that has the color version of the pattern, which is fabulous. And then you get it all in a Craftsy bag, which you can use as your project bag if you want to, and it has a drawstring top. So I often use those as well. Then I got the Captivating Cowl knitting kit, and I actually ordered 2 of these in 2 different colorways, but I thought that was really pretty. It has just a little bit of cabling. This is by Lori Brand. The model is gorgeous. And this one has Lion Brand yarn, and it's already skeined up. This is Heartland, and it's a medium number 4, and this one is in the color Great Smoky Mountains. And it's 2 skeins, and each skein is 251 yards, and you get 2. So I got this one in 2 colorways. This one's the Great Smoky Mountains, and then I also got it in a darker one, it looks like, and this one is Black Canyon. So very pretty, and it's actually that scarf right there. Pretty cool. So I need to be making those, or cowl, not scarf. And then another Vagnetto shawl, and this is another fingering weight shawl because I'm crazy. But look how pretty that is with the lovely leaf kind of lace work. And this is only 1 skein. Oh, and I'm wrong. It's a sock. It's a sock yarn, not a fingering. So, and I got the green color, which I thought was lovely, and it is Fern Heather. And so this is, oh no, it's fingering. It just tricked me. It's fingering weight number 1, and this is 467 yards. So I'm not sure exactly how much I'll use of this, but I do like this a lot. I like the color, and I think I'm gonna like the shawl. And I do enjoy knitting. So, I mean, I'm a kind of a, I don't know, I'm a process and a process and a product knitter. I enjoy both the process of knitting and then the product. Ooh, this one looks like a long one. Lots of pages in this. Can you see that? Holy cow. And this is the Meadow Gold knitting kit, and it is by Rami Hill, and it's this beautiful shawl. And it looks like I got almost that same color, if not the same color. And this is in, I got 1, 2, 3 skeins of this, and it is 247 yards, fingering weight, in the color Coffee Heather. Very pretty. Gosh, I don't know which one I want to work on first. I have so many, I need to stop. I need to go upstairs and look at all of them, put them all out, but I'm not going to cast on any of these until I get my Christmas presents finished. So that's my deal to myself. So these are for me, and I have a couple or 3 shawls going right now that I'm still working on. Ooh, and I have another cowl, and this is really pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this one. This will be a fast knit, because look how big and bulky this is. And this isn't picking up the color very well, but it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Lavender Heather is the color, and this is number 5 bulky, same as the other, same as these. Ooh, and I could do this cowl with that, because it takes 1 skein. Ooh, 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 ooh. So maybe I'll make the cowl with that, with this color. We'll see. So this is an easy cowl, and it's 3 different ways. I could use all 3 of them and do it all 3 ways. So it has like a ribbed one, a stockinette one, and then a moss one. I think that's what they call that. So seed stitch, stockinette, and ribbed and rolled. Very cute. I like all of them. So, yeah. Yay me. And I love fast, easy projects mixed in with my more difficult, more intense, pay attention projects. So this will be a nice one to put in the middle. And lastly, I have yet another shawl. This is the Knit Night Shawl knitting kit, and it looks like it takes fingering weight. Very pretty though. Can you see that? Okay. Beautiful pattern. So I'm excited about things like this because it helps me learn new patterns, because I don't know how to do any of that. And it's just really cute. And I mean, I know that these are yarn overs, but I don't know what makes that little cinching in there and all that. So that's what I love about working patterns and learning new stuff, because it's just fun. And so this one I got in a really pretty color. This is like a brick red, and it's called Scarlet. I know I have this color in other things as well, and this is a 1, I believe. Yes, this is fingering weight again. So I did get a lot of fingering weight shawls, but the reason I did, and I will be perfectly honest, is because these were the ones that were on sale. And I like it when I can get a good deal on things, and I will use them. And maybe I will have a newfound love for fingering weight once I work with it a little more. But I am excited, and I love that I threw in some chunky to give it a little bit of, you know, change every once in a while, because I can't do a really fine project for too long without have something really easy that I can get immediate satisfaction and gratification by getting it completed quickly. So that is my style. So I really appreciate that I have some bulky, because Lord knows I didn't have any in my stash. I had to get more. No, but seriously, that's cool. And I even have my Swift still up because I have been knitting fool. And I will show you guys some of that when I do my weekly podcast, which I may do today. I think it's weekly. I don't even know what it is, but you guys might even see that before you've seen this. I don't know. But I had some stickers up here from my Plan With Me, and I can see that they are gone now, so I don't know what in the world happened to them. Sometimes I plan early for my Plan With Me, and it doesn't do me any good because I end up messing it up. Oh well. They're just stickers, right? But they're cute stickers, and they're my stickers, and I don't want to lose them. But okay, that's a whole different story. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and go to Craftsy.com and check it out. Bye!